Channel. You already know I'm Avis, and this is going to be a hair review slash tutorial on this hair from Upretty Hair. This is their water wave, and I actually let it dry after I washed it, of course. I made this unit, and then after that I brushed it out with my comb brush. I don't know if you can see the pattern. But don't you worry, you will see a lot of this hair in the future, which means this week, honey. So I already went ahead and applied my unit and got my curlers here. I use my curling irons to always flatten the part. And then I use my smaller curling iron to give me that nice little hump effect right there, right there. Okay, so let's get started. I want to curl this hair. I don't know if I want to do tight curls or regular curls, but the thing is, once you wet it, it always goes back to its natural state. But anyway, I received 3 bundles and a closure from Upretty Hair, and I received 2 22s and a 24 and a 20-inch closure. Regular closure, not a frontal, just a regular closure. And I'm going to use this big barrel because I want some big curls. You know, and plus I don't want to be on this hair all day. So I want to see what it looks like curl. Because one thing about curly hair or wavy hair, once you curl it, like, the curls be so pretty big and fluffy compared to if you use straight hair or body wave hair. So it's hot, so you're going to hold it, wait till it cool down, because while it's hot, your curl still can drop. It won't be the curl that it is when you curl it. So let it cool off just a little bit in your hand, and that's the curl of the hair. And you guys see me looking over there. I'm looking in front of my vanity mirror, so just bear with me. Ouch, I burned myself. Also, I put a few layers in the front. I'm gonna just let them drop. I ain't got time for all that. And just grab some nice big chunky pieces, comb it out, and roll it. And then I'm gonna come back once majority is done. So this hair is beautiful. Beautiful. Beauty is her name. Sorry, I'm not your thing. And if you want to try to hold that pattern in there, just use a little bit of holding spray. And my wig is freshly washed and barely have any products in it, so I'm really not trying to build up none right now. You know what? I always can wash it. I hope everybody's having a great day. I am. And you guys, if you want to order these lashes, just be sure to check me out. All information will be below. It is from my lash line, from the 22 and the 25 millimeter lashes collection. Okay, but anyways, you're gonna know my line is called Pink Diamond Luxury Lashes, and you guys can check it out. I have big sales going on. Buy 2 and get 1 free. And you guys, I'm not really worried about the root part because no one's going to see the root part of that. You know, they're just going to see the ends. Now, if you want to, you can blow dry it out straight once you finish washing it, and then flat iron and then curl. It's too much though. But once I finish, you're gonna be like, body wave who? There's gonna be some nice soft waves though, I can tell you that. I'm probably just gonna do one side of my hair and then wet it and let you guys see like, hey, it bounces back. And then on my own, I'm gonna curl this whole entire unit. I burn myself again. And which the crazy part is, I have a glove to go to this, but I'm not wearing it. That's just like trying to prevent pregnancy. You have a condom, but you don't use it. So what's the purpose? What's the purpose? Maybe that was a bad metaphor. Ow, I burned myself again. But that's the truth. Stay protected. I wanna go outside in the rain. It might sound crazy. So we're going to curl only one side, see what it looks like, and then we are going to wet her to see those curls bounce back or not. Or not. I don't think I'm feeling that one. Let's try that again. But with a tighter wand. Especially when you get in towards the front. The front has to be perfection. So I'm going to come back once I finish doing this other side, and then we're going to, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Snack break. This snack is brought to you today by Kit Kat. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Sponsor me today. Okay, you guys, I am back. The hair is now thumbnail, maybe, I don't know. Hair is now curled, nice and beautiful. Oh my god, I haven't curled my hair like this in so long. I just put some oil on my hand. It is from Promise Olive Oil Formula Olive Oil Conditioning Oil Spray for frizzy prune hair. So I don't know about no frizzy prune head over here, but put a little bit on my hand for shine. Rub my hands through it. I want to make sure you guys can see. Taking my brush and curl. Just snagged on this raggedy brush. And brush it backwards, like so. And give you some nice fluffy curls. Don't want that hair flat at all. God damn it! Oh, sorry. Freak. Ugh, burn my finger real bad. Ugh. Shit knock. Ugh. You guys, I know the purpose of this video was to wet this hair. Let me be honest with you. I'm not finna wet this hair. This hair looks too pretty for me to wet. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut and layer my bang. Bravo. I don't know what my scissors got to, but I still got my... That's not gonna work. That's taking too long. Oh, it scalded me too. There it is. My finger is throbbing right now. And remember, you just want a little volume. Well, everybody don't like volume, but I love volume. There. And then I want to get her right about there. So I will spray. Remember, you always can go back and curl, but right now, we're gonna freeze underneath there. Make sure that's frozen. Bam. And then you go in and recurl those front pieces. And I'm going to probably curl the rest later. But not for this video though. More to come with this hair. I have ideas. Pretty. Very, very pretty. Spray some on top. And I will go through my hair. And you can flex it, rod it. Do whatever you please to it. could just let it flip back on its own. Shake some of the curl loose for like a more messy look. Totally up to you. So you guys let me know which side you like the best. May need to use my flat iron. But overall, it looks really nice. Nice and curled. And then you got the natural wavy going on. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, let me know what you think. Because I was going to wear it, but I think not. I think not. Because I'm about to curl the rest of this hair. Bye. Pictures be at the end. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I decided to wet it. Because that was the purpose of the video. So let me go ahead and wet it. I got my water here. The curls are very beautiful. Let me know today. So you start by squirting the hair, wetting it a nice amount. Get them ends too. Comb it out from the ends. Want to see if it gets back nice and wavy. Does it look like it's turning wavy? Okay. And spray it. Okay, so after you do that, you take it and you squinch it up. Squinch it up. Squinch it up. Go ahead and help them curls out by squinching it up. And there you see, the waves are back. Wet it. Scrunch it up. Now I put oil on this side for luster, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the same thing, put it on my hands. And I need to get some more of that, by the way. So when it dries, the curls will be nice and shiny and look healthy. That's one of my favorite oils. Get them ends of the hair and scrunch the hair up. And as you guys can see, the waves are definitely back in this beautiful water wave here. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side. The same thing. This is what it looked like when it just dried and combed out. And there you have it. Or this look more uniform because his hair is not fully dry. I mean wet. But yes. Give me life. Yeah. Beautiful hair. And I still got my little hump up there. Think about making it bigger though. But whatever. Great video, great tutorial, great hair. So be sure to check out Upretty Hair, you guys. All information will be below in the description box for where you can order this hair, discount codes, and everything. And everything. Beautiful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.